In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Outlook calendar events with Jotform. This process is a smooth way to integrate your form submissions directly into your calendar, and we're going to break it down into a few simple steps. First, let's head over to Jotform's website. You'll need to log into your account there. You can conveniently sign in using your Google or Microsoft account, or alternatively, you can enter your email and password if that's what you prefer. It's a straightforward process that gets you quickly to the Jotform dashboard, where the magic begins. Once logged in, navigate to the specific form you want to modify. This is the form whose responses you'll be linking to your Outlook calendar. You'll need to get familiar with the form builder, which is where all the customization happens. In the form builder, you'll notice an orange navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on the settings tab in this bar. It opens up a range of options related to the form you're working on. Here, our objective is to find the integrations menu, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. Clicking this will show you all the different services you can connect your form to. Now search for Zapier in the integrations list and click on it when it appears. Zapier is a powerful tool that will help connect Jotform with Outlook. Once in the Zapier setup, search for Microsoft Outlook and select the option to use this Zap. This action sets up a connection that allows information to flow between Jotform and Outlook Calendar. You'll be prompted to log into your Zapier account if you're not already signed in. Simply enter your login details and proceed by selecting your Microsoft Outlook account when requested. This is crucial as it grants permission for Zapier to modify your Outlook calendar. After logging into Zapier and identifying your Outlook account, you'll reach the mapping stage. This is where you specify which fields in your form correlate with Outlook calendar fields. You'll be prompted to map critical fields like subject, attendees, and description, ensuring that each piece of information from your form submission is accurately transferred to your calendar event. The final step is to turn on your Zap. By doing so, you're activating this powerful automation. Now, every time there's a new Jotform submission, events will automatically be created in your Outlook calendar. This saves time and ensures that you never miss an important meeting or appointment. And there you have it. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and ensure that your calendar is always up to date with your latest form responses. With these steps, you'll have everything set up in no time. Thank you for joining me and happy organizing.